Hey guys, what's good? So, got something cool today. Got my mystery kit from the chemical guys. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and see what we got. So, I have never actually bought a mystery kit from any of the detailing companies. I did purchase this one. This one was, I believe, $49.99, and it comes with $79 plus worth of stuff. We'll go ahead and gauge that out. And I purchased the Adams Polishes mystery box as well. I believe that one was $29.99. It's supposed to come with, I believe, don't quote me, I think $50 worth of stuff. But this is the first one that came in, so we're going to go ahead and see what comes in it. I know for sure we're getting the trunk organizer, so that's going to be cool. Bear with me, I'm trying to do this with one hand. If only I couldn't find my knife. If only I had that, it'd be so much easier. Oh, something else this one for sure came with is their almost blazing banana wax. Sorry, I'm getting a little impatient with this tape. I do like that they had special tape on it though. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's see what we got. Alright, so right when you open it up, you get these cool stickers. Chemical Guy stickers, speed wipe. Get a piston, that one's pretty cool. Alright, these are pretty cool. Alright, grab the first thing. Get this trunk organizer. Seems really cool. Nice. Alright, we'll put that off to the side. Alright, what else we got? This is the almost blazing banana spray wax. Apparently it's really good. It's the same as their other spray wax, but this one's colored for March. Nice. Oh, cool. Get some microfiber applicators, 2 of them. It's pretty handy. Let's see what else we got. Insta Wax, Instant Shine Protection, Spray Carnauba Wax, and Sealant. Nice. Alright. What else we got? JDM Squash Scent Air Freshener. Okay. Alright. I needed an air freshener. I was actually going to buy one. I don't know how I feel about squash scent, but we'll go ahead and give that a shot. Ooh. Easy Cream Glaze. Okay. Looks like I got some good stuff. Alright. What else we got? What else? Natural Shine. What is this? Oh, it's just a dressing. Alright. Can never have too much dressing, I guess. And Vitalize Wash. I am not 100% sure if this is just a soap. Wait. High Gloss Shine, safe for protecting coating, removes dirt, dust, and fingerprints. So I believe this is just a soap. Cool. I mean, not too bad. Right now, here in a little bit, we're going to go ahead and hop on the computer and see what the total price of everything comes out to. But, I mean, I'm satisfied for what was it, 49 bucks? It's not too bad. I also did have a coupon code, so I don't know if they're aware of it, but if you go ahead and sign up for their email thing, you get 20% off, and they did not exclude the mystery kit from that, so you can get that. So I believe it came out to $39.99, and then you're supposedly getting $79 worth of stuff. That's worth it totally. If y'all haven't signed up already, I would go ahead and do that. But yeah, I'll go ahead and cut this out real quick, and I'll get to the prices. Hey guys, so I'm back. I went ahead and got on the website, went ahead and looked up the prices of everything. Everything looks to be really good. I'm really excited about the Easy Glaze or Easy Cream Glaze. I heard it's really good. Also want to try out the Blazing Banana Spray Wax. I've also heard good things about that. This is essentially the same but green. So we'll go ahead and see about that one. Overall, pretty satisfied. The issues I had with looking up the prices are, I guess this is considered a one pack. I'm not 100% sure how they do it. But this up here says 2-pack, and then this is the XL premium grade 2-pack, but then here it says quantity 1-pack, and when you look it up for the XL, they only have XL 1-pack, but then up here it says 2-pack, but they only have one. I'm not 100% sure, but I went ahead and counted that $3.99 twice, because I think that's each. And the other one was this Insta Wax. This is, I believe, the 4-ounce bottle. When you go ahead and look it up on here, they only have the 16-ounce and the 32, I believe. So don't know the price on this one, so that's not included in the total. But if you include the price of the bag and everything, we get a total of, are y'all ready? $116.92, not including taxes. It's not too bad. I mean, that's also not including this Insta Wax. I'm not 100% sure how. Pretty sure this is just the trial size that they threw in. Looks a little old. You can see the wax is kind of settled on the bottom. Not a big deal. Just shake it up. But overall, pretty satisfied. I mean, I got everything that I could use. I've been meaning to buy some, like I said, some air freshener, some spray wax. You can never have too much soap. I also had needed some applicators, so not too bad. Pretty satisfied. You get the cool trunk organizer. It is gray and I'm assuming reflective. Can't really tell. There's not enough light in here, but it looks really high quality. The zippers look amazing. So now that I'm looking at it, the zipper kind of looks closed on both sides. That's kind of weird. Not 100% sure how that's going to work out. But overall, like I said, pretty satisfied. I ended up getting this for a total of, it was $49. I had the 20% off, so $39 plus shipping, because I did not get any. I think their total is like $99 for free shipping, so I just paid the $6 in shipping or whatever it was. Overall, pretty satisfied and made my money's worth. When I get to test these out, the ones that I haven't tried, I'll go ahead and let y'all know. But for now, stay safe. Rock on.